this video, we're going to have a look at the confusion matrix. You'll learn how to interpret it, how to read its metrics, and how to define a propensity threshold so you can best categorize your target group. In the previous video, you created a predictive scenario to identify customers who are most likely to open a deposit account. Now, using the confusion matrix, we can go one step further and define a threshold, or a cutoff point, that allows you to reduce the number of most likely customers that have been wrongly identified. The confusion matrix is a table that compares predictions with actual values from your training data set based on a selected threshold. In our example, the threshold is set at 7%. This means that if you contact 7% of your customers with the Open an Account campaign, you'll reach 32% of those who actually will open a deposit account. Above the threshold is the category of customers most likely to open an account, and below the category for those unlikely to open one. Column Predict 1 of the confusion matrix corresponds to customers likely to open a deposit account. The column Predict 0 shows customers unlikely to open an account. The first row, Actual 1, is for customers who actually have opened a deposit account, while row 2, Actual 0, shows those who have not. So we can see that for 100 customers targeted with the marketing campaign, the actual and predicted values are aligned for less than 4 customers, even though about 11 out of the 100 have effectively opened a deposit account. The confusion matrix also computes some useful metrics. Our main business concern is to find the best customer group to target. So looking at the fallout value is one of our most useful indicators. It shows that almost 4% of customers that are not interested in opening a deposit account are actually classified as Predict 1 and so will be contacted during the marketing campaign. This is a waste of resources. If you move the threshold, the confusion matrix is updated immediately. The confusion matrix is an easy way to simulate the impact of selecting a threshold on the quality of your marketing campaigns. Now it's up to you to choose the best threshold for your business question, what's important? To contact customers who are likely to respond favorably to your campaign, or to ignore customers who wouldn't be interested. To see more on Smart Predictor SAP Analytics Cloud, check out the SAP Analytics channel on YouTube or visit the SAP Help Portal site.